Hi everyone, it's time for a drawing challenge. Hopefully you can do this with your family. It's going to be, the subject we're going to do is our great first responders, our people that are nurses, doctors, anybody that's out there helping fight the virus. So I thought we would do a little artwork for them and something you could post in your window if you want, or even if you have nurses or doctors or something like that in your family, you could send this artwork to them. I thought, with all the thought of masks and different protective devices, I thought we could do some artistic ones if we were able to design some for the nurses and the doctors. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start in the middle of the paper, and I want you to go up just a little bit. And on this paper, we're going to draw some eyes, but we're going to do kind of a little bit fancier eyes. So what we're going to do is we're going to do one line coming here. We're going to leave about that much space, and we're going to do another line coming just like that. Once you've done that, we're going to come inside just a little bit and draw a curved line down and a curved line down on both sides. And then we're going to draw a little curved line underneath, like this, and a curved line underneath, like that. And then we're going to connect it with a curved line coming down, like this. Okay? Now, after that, we're going to come in here, and we're going to draw the iris, or the color part of the eye. So we're going to draw two nice little oval shapes that come around like that. Then we're going to draw a little highlight, and they're going to be on the left side in there. Just like that. It kind of looks like they're looking off to the side, but it won't in a minute. Now I'm going to draw down behind that, and I'm going to draw the pupil and color that in. And I'm going to come over here and draw the pupil coming in just like that. Okay? Now, after that, I'm going to go up and I'm going to draw one eyebrow. And you see how it gets thinner on the outside, thicker towards the inside, just like that. And then I'm going to draw two little lines coming down like that. Okay? Now, from there, I'm going to come out from the middle of the eye. I'm going to come out to here, and I'm just going to draw like I'm drawing down to draw a chin, but I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to come out here, and I'm going to come down and just a little bit in, just like that. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is put in two ears. So just somewhere in the middle of the eye here, we're going to come over and we're going to draw one ear right here, and we're going to draw another ear right here. And I'm going to add a little line in the top. This kind of looks like an S, and then kind of like a backwards S, just to add in there. Now, once I've done that, what I'm going to do is come here and we're going to draw a mask. So I'm going to go from the ear, and I'm going to draw two little lines down here, and from the ear, two little lines down here. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to come over the nose and down. So basically, where the nose is, I'm going to draw this underneath. So it's kind of like a frown line. And then I'm going to come to there and come to there. Just like that. Now I'm going to come back here to the strap, and I'm going to come down and draw the mask coming around just like that. Okay? Now I'm going to finish out the chin or the jaw going down to the mask, just like that. And then we're going to go work on the hat. or what nurses wear to cover their head. So I'm going to come right up from here, and I'm going to draw a nice curved line. You see I went from like where this line is to there. Okay? Actually, I might go a little bit wider. Just a little bit wider. Now, I'm going to come up and in for a little crease, up and in, up and in, up and in, and then come around just like that. Okay? Now I'm going to draw that little stripe here, the little crease, and then I'm going to add some hair. So they have just a little hair coming down to here and coming down, and depending on if you want somebody to have longer hair or shorter hair, you could put a little hair kind of coming down in the back here, or you could even make longer hair. Now I'm going to come and I'm going to go 1, 2, and then a curved line across, and then I'm going to draw right to here, and I'm going to draw right to here, and then I'm going to draw across just like that, so that if I want to add some little message down here, I can do that. Now, a couple other things. If you want to go in, you could add some eyelashes to it, however you want to do it to add some details. Now, here's the big thing. We've drawn a nurse or a doctor, or whatever you've decided who it's going to be, but now you have, if they had these scrubs or these things they have to wear in the hospital, how could you make it artistically creative and really, really fun? If you could design any of them for them, how would you do that? Would you put polka dots, stripes, hearts? Would you write words on it that have motivation? Whatever you want. And you might come down here and write thank you in block letters, or maybe a lot of people, they're doing some artwork and they're writing the word hope, because all of these essential workers are giving all of us hope on taking care of us. So you could do something like this and put a nice message or a word that you could put in your window, or you could send to somebody, or your parents could post it on Facebook, whatever you want to do. But I want you to do a really creative design. Design their shirt, design their mask, and design their hat. So I hope to see some of yours. I hope you post them or put them, send them to me for that. And let's see what kind of awesome designs we can come up with. If you look at my website, there is a sheet like this, and it actually looks like this, that after you draw yours, or if you just want to download this and design this, you can actually print this paper out as many times as you want, and you could design a whole bunch of different ones. Or if you have a really little brother or sister, you could print one out for a color sheet for a design idea. So this sheet is on my website, and the website is on the library page. You can find my website, and it says you just go to the downloads and you can download it, and your parents can print one out for you, or a bunch of them, whatever you guys want to do. But it is on there, and I hope you have an awesome, awesome day. I hope you take this challenge and see what kind of awesome designs we can come up with, and then I'll be excited to see them all. Again, have a great day, and remember, art is essential.